It's a 2015 Chevrolet Traverse. Its appeal starts with class-leading cargo room and continues with impressive technologies and top-of-the-line safety. What others have as options like keyless entry and steering wheel audio controls are standard on this Traverse. You're also well protected with StabiliTrak and multiple airbags. Plus, you'll love the impression of its athletic hood design and striking good looks.
The remote engine start allows ignition from outside the vehicle. You don't have to put your life on hold when you have Bluetooth. Parking sensors help keep you safe by alerting you to your surroundings.
Enjoy the freedom, the refinement, the inspiration. Discover what this Traverse has to offer today.
At Kelly Chevrolet, every vehicle we sell comes with the Kelly Advantage. We're conveniently located at 5220 Value Drive in Fort Wayne, Indiana.